Okay, so we are at our point of interest. Um, Hopefully my sound doesn't get all warbly and choppy and laggy and shit. I think I might have needed to restart my computer. I'm not sure if that'll help, but anyways, let's start the quest. So, I imagine these flashlights always kind of point you in a direction. I guess maybe they made it difficult on certain occasions, so we'll go ahead and take the clue. Now, I've been in one of these houses before, but I think they kind of place everything at random every time. Yeah, because it's like, if you were to go get another quest and then it sends you back to the same house, as soon as you hit that, no matter what you have destroyed or looted, it all respawns. Alright, so the satchel's downstairs. Let's try out all these. We'll see if I can actually sneak through this whole thing without alerting any zombies. That's probably not going to happen, but I can already hear one outside. I'm taking out all these little tiles so don't cause any... I guarantee you there's one in there, huh? Okay, we don't want to use the shotgun. We're trying to be stealthy. Yeah, there's a guy in there. We gotta kill him. We gotta kill him. That's one down. Oh, why? Why did you come to this house? I'm gonna take care of this real quick. Oh, she's inside. Well, where does she come from? Did she actually climb up here? She didn't drop down from anywhere, did she? Oh, she could have dropped down from these. Yeah, another good point. Look up. Always look up. If it's got a high ceiling, yeah, I'd look up. Just because shit'll drop down on you. Yeah, I don't really mind picking up these tiles either, because, I mean, you need glass to make scopes. It's locked. What? You are killing me right now, dude. Why would you lock those? This one's oh, that one's unlocked. Okay, well. Remember last time, I got attacked by one of those hardened construction workers or utility guys. Yeah, you can't lockpick these, which sucks. Oh, you can. Oh, I didn't know you could lockpick these. Hell yeah. Alright. So I can continue with my stealth mission here. Come on now. Are you kidding me? You're not even giving me a shot. I don't know how the hell I went through that many lockpicks. Here's a flashlight, but it's off. So cool. Take those. Yeah, I hear something. Why are these harder to pick? Like a bathroom door is not hard to open at all. Shit. Well, I fucked that up. So much for the stealth. Well, that was my fault. But at least I got some... Oh, and I got a key card. Used for unlocking doors, but it doesn't tell you what kind of doors you need to unlock with it. And looks like we got an angry one. That's alright. Alright, again, first try. Never mind. Come on now. I don't know if those guys are from the outside or... That was kind of crappy. Something might be up here. Oh, oh, there's one of those. Ooh. Okay. I still haven't done that XP thing. Okay. It's quiet again. What? We'll do this. Should have been using my bow the whole time. Oh, wow. Can't believe I missed that. That would go for the painting, but... literally nothing. It's the closet. I think that's where it came from. Alright. That looks like an irradiated one. Well then. They broke through that door, so they did come from the outside. Yeah, I need a tank top. Make a noise. Making noises. Hate it when they don't die the first shot. Yes, we almost have enough to make our next class paper, which I think I might go with the scientist because I really need to make biodiesel so I can make gas, keep everything running. These battery banks don't seem to last very long at all, and I don't want to make like a series of them. Yep. Sweet. Not doing too bad here. For the most part, we've kept pretty stealthy. Now, I know there's got to be one in this bathroom right here. Been surprised many a time. Yep, there's got to be one right there. Got him. Pretty sure there's something behind that right there. So I guess the satchel might be in the garage. I think that's the garage over here. Why not? They might just upgrade the lock picking seal. Sweet. What was that? A cigar? That's the first cigar I've ever seen. Hell yeah. Yeah. I walk around with the cigar. What up? Okay, so that says 10% bartering. Oh. I guess that's why they've been so scarce. Seems like pretty good improvement. Ah, see. Mining skill went up. Okay, if I get it first try here. Hold on, let me see how many lockpicks I got. 8. I don't think it's gonna go first try because no, it just never really does. Fuck. That's pretty close. And there it goes. 3, 4. There. Small thing, eh? Schematics will be helpful though. Why are all these locked, man? Oh, it's another room. Oh, I hadn't been looking up. I feel like there's got to be 1-1 in there, right? And since it's irradiated, I don't think the arrows will work too well. And those didn't work too well either. No! 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 Oh man. That was kind of shitty. At least I was pretty sure. Oh, there it is. Alright. Might as well put that on. Oh, wait. Put that one. Well, that was not so smooth. That's okay, though. Another one. Only got 4 left. Wish me luck. No, of course. It's 1. 2. 3. That's not gonna. It's gonna break. You bitch. All right. No more lockpicks. No way. It's gotta be up here somewhere because I'm on the level. Alright, so let's find that satchel before we clear out the rest of this. Oh, there it is. Sweet. Alright, we secured the package. Now let's secure the loots. Oh my god. Damn it. Oh dear lord. What? Ah. Had a clear shot. Okay. What? Yeah, whatever. He almost broke through. Oh god. Yeah, I went through there and I kind of confused myself. Alright, so you come down here. That's locked. That's unlocked. Cool. Nearly all the cupboards. Or cabinet. Whatever. And then come through here. Why is this locked? Oh, I got that one. Oh! That's where the loot was. Sweet. Alright, well. Let's grab the rest of this up here. Alright. Wonder why that tile's there like that. Seems a little strange. Oh, I can make some more chili dogs. Like, nothing else up there. Okay, got my lucky goggles on. Gun parts. It's good. Not out of room though. Oh, let's look at all the boxes first. Sham sandwiches. Oh, I'm gonna do this. Scrap that. Only need sham sandwiches all that much. Maybe. If I can get like an actual meal instead of these sandwiches, that'd be cool. Puffer cuts, got some pretty good stuff there. Ugh. Well, let's scrap that. We can always make more. Only got 3 slots. I don't like that. I got nothing I can eat. I mean, I can eat all this stuff, but it's just a chance of food poisoning I'd rather not even attempt. What can I make? Gunpowder. I'll make gunpowder. And I'll make duct tape. Clear some room. We have 4 slots. Yeah, I don't think any of them are going to stack, really. Let's see. That gun part. Yeah, I think that's it. eyes are probably kind of messing with me and can't see any other ones. So we got electric parts, mechanical parts. So I was thinking of breaking this down, but look at this. Okay, I'll play up even more there. Okay, I think I can put the rest of these parts in here. Maybe. One. Just gonna scrap this. It's not, you know, 320. It's still money. You know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna scrap that. Oh, the working stiff. I forgot about that one. That would be cool. Well, no, you can't really get that from these, I don't think. Fucking paintbrush, really. You know, giant box for a fucking nail paintbrush. Okay, we're good to go. Let's go turn this quest in. You see what I mean? It's like at least a good 15 minutes for this house. Unlock that one. Yeah, unless you just like run through it really, but okay, yeah, it's cleared. A battery. Yeah, fucking. Okay, do that. Did I have? Yeah, I guess I did. That's plenty of iron right there. I would break down that car, but I want to just get out of here. Get back to the trader. Nope. Almost fucked up my whole day. Oh, I got another pair, but oh, there it is. Alright, now let's go head back to that trader. So, I understand that there is a possible way to make super crops. The only thing that I have found is super corn seeds. I'm not sure where to find those at all. It's like no clue. I imagine there's some kind of, where am I going here? Some kind of underground indoor farm that I gotta get to. I think in like one of these like super tall buildings, but I haven't seen one. I'm hoping I don't have to go to like the irradiated zone, which I got the hazmat suits for it. But in the past, the hazmat suits don't really protect you all that much. You still get damage. Okay. Where am I? Oh. Hold up. I need to get... Oops, sneaky. I need to get back to the road here. I don't know where I'm going. This guy's still chasing after me. Peace! So I could just follow this road. I'm just follow this. Be easier. You know what? Let's go this way. So yeah, this town is actually super close to the irradiated zone, as you can see. I think I met that first mutated Night Stalker right around here. And he beat the fuck out of me multiple times. It was weird. It was like he kept regenerating almost instantly. So like no matter how many, it was a bullet sponge for sure. I think it's also where I encountered my first demonic zombie, which was pretty crazy. Those don't even take any damage, man. I don't know how I killed that dude. I don't even think I did. I think it might have been like by the grace of a glitch. So I got no holy... no, this is the wrong one. I don't have any holy mods. Like a holy alloy mod or something like that. Specifically for demonic variants. But yeah, they're super fast, hit super hard, and don't seem to take much damage at all. And they regenerate too. It's crazy. Yeah. So the previous night I tried out these turrets. There was a horde, one of those random herds that come down the mountain. I was just running right toward the fortress. I lured them over here. Works great. I mean, these things got more range than the guards themselves. It's awesome.
Here you go, friend. Whatever you need, just say the word.
Took the hunting knife, I guess, for the iron, but oh. Oh, I think I just canceled it.
You have a great many thanks.
Oh,
You
okay.
prove to be very resourceful. Here's your pay.
You know what? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna throw this out real quick. There we go. Alright.
Anything you like?
Maybe. Sell these bows. And no.
Gratitude and safe travels.
Oh yeah. Just gonna put up this gas generator before I forget. So I'll just run off and completely forget that I didn't put it down. But just to kind of supplement the power, because I don't really want it. I hope this doesn't all fall apart if I bust that open. Oh, here goes none. Okay, cool. Alright. Set up another frame block. Frame block. Flame block. That's what it's called. A frame block. Not a flame block. Generator. Okay. Put that bad boy right there. And then I think you're supposed to connect them to each other. Alright. Now, refuel. Let's put the full fuel. Oh, I didn't bring any engines. Well, let's see if he's got one. Look at that. So, I guess that this is the range for these things. I'll go out there in a second and see exactly how far the range is, because it seems far as hell. Alright. Got any engines, man? Got an extra generator, man. That's pretty cool. 2. Oh, and there it is, an engine. Those are expensive. Holy shit. But you need one. You need one. Signs. I don't know where they keep those. Maybe here. Okay, can I build an engine? I don't think I can. Let's see. I guess not here. So I need the mechanic place, but oh, that's heavy iron. I got silver nuggets, so I can make engines. So it'd just be easier just to farm them out of cars. But we got an engine. $50-watt output. Oh, we got turn. Oh wait, yeah, we got turn that on. We need more engines. For shizzle. So hopefully that kind of powers them up a little bit. Eventually. I really want to see like how quickly it'll recharge it. So like to recharge your battery bank, this is how you do it. You gotta hook up one of these generator banks to the battery bank, and then you gotta have them both on. And I guess it'll supply power into here, or surplus power, I don't know. I'm hoping it kind of works. I think I need more engines though. So, I might go to that trailer park over there, up ahead. And, oh yeah, I was gonna see how far these go out. Oh yeah, that's the wall. Holy shit. Look how far that goes, dude. I mean, does it really range out that far? I mean, they seem to only really start shooting about here, which is still great, because I mean, like, that's a lot of space. If I had one in the middle, again, it'd probably be right here. So before it even hits the dirt road, these motherfuckers are getting mowed down. So I'd probably, if I was going to do the electric fence, I'd probably have to put the electric fence right here on the border of this this dirt road here. Let's do it at the edge. Let's keep them at bay and keep them within range. If I were to get stuck here again, which I don't plan to. That was kind of like a last minute thing because I lost track of time. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and find some more engines. Oh, it's daytime. And yeah, and think of something else to do. Which actually, I think this next episode I might go to the irradiated zone with the hazmat suit and see how I fare there. Because I'm thinking that's might be the spot where I find, well, I don't know. I just gotta find another city or something, like an actual city. A nice sprawling one. That'll have a giant building that may or may not have some kind of lab. That might contain some super corn. I can start some super crops. Anyway, until then, I'll see y'all later.